Hey there, fellow adventurers. Worldwide tropical vacations here, and today we're talking about packing. Forgetting an essential item can really put a damper on your excitement. I've compiled a list of the top 30 must-have travel essentials. From necessities to little extras, we'll cover it all. Let's dive in and get you ready for your next journey. First, ensure your passport is up to date and secure. It's crucial for international travel and identification. Keep your passport and ID in a safe place, like a travel wallet. This helps prevent loss or theft. Also, make copies of your documents and store them separately. This can be a lifesaver if the originals are lost. Keep your travel tickets and itinerary handy, printed or digital. It's essential to have them organized for a smooth journey. Use a travel wallet or folder to keep printed copies safe. For digital versions, a reliable travel app can help you access them quickly. Don't forget credit cards, debit cards, and local currency. Ensure you notify your bank of your travel plans to avoid any issues. Use a money belt or hidden pouch to keep your cash and cards safe. Consider using a banking app to monitor your accounts regularly. Travel insurance documents. Pack your travel insurance and know how to access it for peace of mind. Travel insurance is essential for covering unexpected events like medical emergencies, trip cancellations, and lost luggage. Ensure your policy includes comprehensive coverage for these situations to avoid potential hassles during your trip. Item 5, phone and charger. Stay connected. Pack your phone and charger, and remember to bring an adapter if needed. Your phone is your lifeline for maps, bookings, and emergencies. Keep a portable charger handy and charge whenever you can to avoid running out of battery. Item 6, portable power bank. A portable power bank is essential when you're on the go without an outlet. It ensures your devices stay charged during long flights, road trips, or remote adventures. Look for one with a high mAh rating for more power, multiple USB ports for charging several devices at once, and fast charging capabilities to save time. Item 7, camera and accessories. Capture those precious memories. Don't forget your camera, extra batteries, and memory cards. Use a padded camera bag to protect your gear, and consider a waterproof cover for unexpected weather. Item 8, laptop, tablet, and charger. Stay productive and entertained on the go with your laptop or tablet. It's essential to have these devices for work, communication, and leisure. Always use a protective case and keep them in your carry-on to ensure they stay safe during your travels. Item 9, travel adapter and power strip. A travel adapter and power strip are essential for keeping your devices powered. When choosing a travel adapter, make sure it supports the plug types of your destination. Look for one with multiple USB ports to charge several devices at once. A power strip with surge protection is also a great addition to safeguard your electronics. Item 10. Pack versatile clothing suitable for the climate, planned activities, and unexpected weather changes at your destination. Choose lightweight, breathable fabrics for hot climates and layer up for colder regions. Don't forget a waterproof jacket and comfortable shoes for all terrains. Item 11. Comfortable shoes are a must-have for exploring new cities or hiking scenic trails. They make all the difference. When choosing the right pair, consider the terrain and weather conditions. Look for shoes with good arch support and cushioning to keep your feet happy all day long. Item 12. Remember to pack your essential toiletries in travel-sized containers to comply with airport regulations and save space. It's crucial to have your personal care items handy to maintain hygiene and comfort during your travels. Use a clear, TSA-approved toiletry bag to make security checks smoother. Label your travel-sized bottles to avoid confusion and spills. Opt for multi-purpose products to minimize the number of items you need to carry. Item 13, medication and first aid kit. It's crucial to pack necessary medication and a basic first aid kit for minor injuries. Include pain relievers, Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, and any personal prescriptions. This ensures you're prepared for unexpected health issues during your travels. Item 14, reusable water bottle. Stay hydrated and reduce plastic waste with a reusable bottle you can refill on your trip. Benefits include saving money, reducing single-use plastic, and always having water on hand. When choosing one, look for BPA-free materials, insulation for temperature control, and a size that fits your needs. Item 15, snacks. Always pack some non-perishable snacks for those long travel days or moments when hunger strikes unexpectedly. Snacks can be a lifesaver when you're on the go. Opt for items like granola bars, nuts, and dried fruits. These are easy to pack and won't spoil. Keep them in a resealable bag to maintain freshness and prevent spills. Item 16. Protect yourself from the sun's harmful rays with a stylish pair of sunglasses and a wide-brimmed hat. Sunglasses shield your eyes from UV rays, reducing the risk of cataracts and other eye issues. Choose sunglasses with 100% UV protection and polarized lenses for the best defense. A wide-brimmed hat not only adds style, but also provides shade for your face and neck, preventing sunburn. Opt for hats made from breathable materials like straw or cotton for comfort in hot weather. Item 17. Don't forget to apply sunscreen and use insect repellent to stay protected during all your outdoor adventures. Sunscreen is essential to protect your skin from harmful UV rays, while insect repellent helps prevent bites and diseases. Choose a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 and an insect repellent containing DEET or picaridin for the best protection. Item 18. Stay comfortable on long flights or train rides with a travel pillow and a cozy blanket. Essential for restful travel. They help support your neck and keep you warm, making it easier to sleep and reducing fatigue. When choosing a travel pillow, look for one with the good neck support and a soft cover. For blankets, opt for lightweight and compact options that are easy to pack. Item 19, earplugs and eye mask. Ensure a good night's sleep even in noisy surroundings with earplugs and an eye mask. Earplugs block out unwanted noise, making them essential for flights, trains, or noisy hotels. Choose earplugs that are comfortable and fit well. An eye mask helps block out light, ensuring you can rest anytime, anywhere. Look for masks with adjustable straps and soft materials for maximum comfort. Item 20. Books, magazines, or e-reader. Bring along a good book, some magazines, or your e-reader for entertainment during downtime. They help you relax and pass the time on long journeys. Choose lightweight books or magazines and download a variety of e-books to suit your mood. Item 21. Travel guidebook and maps. Guidebooks and maps are essential for navigating new destinations. They provide valuable insights, historical context, and practical tips. When choosing a guidebook, look for up-to-date information and detailed maps. Opt for maps that are easy to read and waterproof for durability. Item 22. Notebook and pen. Jot down notes, memories, or even sketch your surroundings in a handy notebook. Capture every moment. A notebook and pen are essential for documenting your travel experiences, planning your itinerary, or even jotting down important information. Choose a durable notebook with a sturdy cover and a pen that writes smoothly to ensure you can write comfortably anywhere. Item 23. Backpack or day pack. A sturdy backpack or day pack is essential for carrying your belongings on day trips and adventures. It helps distribute weight evenly, reducing strain on your back and shoulders. When choosing one, look for padded straps, multiple compartments, and water-resistant material for added convenience and comfort. Item 24. Luggage locks. Keep your belongings secure with TSA-approved luggage locks for both your checked and carry-on luggage. These locks are essential for peace of mind, especially in busy airports. When choosing a lock, look for durability, ease of use, and TSA approval to ensure security without hassle. Item 25. Always pack travel-sized laundry detergent for washing clothes on the go, especially for longer trips. It's essential for keeping your clothes fresh and clean without needing to find a laundromat. Look for a detergent that's biodegradable and suitable for hand washing. This ensures it's gentle on your clothes and the environment. Item 26. Stay clean and germ-free with wet wipes and hand sanitizer when soap and water are limited. Essential for hygiene, they help prevent illness. Choose alcohol-based sanitizers and biodegradable wipes for eco-friendliness. Item 27. Travel umbrella. Always be prepared for unexpected weather changes with a reliable, compact travel umbrella in your bag. A travel umbrella not only keeps you dry, but also protects you from harsh sun rays. Look for one that's lightweight and durable. Choose an umbrella with a sturdy frame and a comfortable grip. Consider one with UV protection and a vented canopy to withstand strong winds. Item 28. Swimwear. Don't forget your swimwear if your itinerary includes beach days, poolside lounging, or any other water activities. It's essential for comfort and style. Choose one that fits well and suits your planned activities. Quick-drying fabrics and UV protection are great features to look for. Item 29. Copies of important documents. It's crucial to keep copies of important documents like your passport and itinerary separate from the originals. This can help you in case of loss or theft. Store these copies in a secure place such as a hotel safe or a hidden compartment in your luggage. Additionally, consider keeping digital copies on a secure cloud service for easy access. Item 30. Emergency contact information. Always have emergency contact information readily available, both physically and stored on your phone. It's crucial to have this information in case of unexpected situations. Make sure to include local emergency numbers, your country's embassy, and contacts of family or friends. Organize it by keeping a physical copy in your wallet and a digital copy on your phone. Use apps that allow quick access even without internet. Get ready for adventure. With these travel essentials packed, you're set for an amazing experience. Adapt this list to your destination and travel style. Packing right makes all the difference. Prepare, pack smart, and create unforgettable memories. Safe travels and enjoy your adventure.